everyone, welcome to another English tutorial. Today we're going to play human spelling. So I'm going to need 2 students. Who wants to play?
I
want to play.
Want to play.
I want to play.
Very good. Okay. So I am going to give you a word and you're going to have to spell it with your body, okay?
Ooh, okay.
You're going to do the letters. Okay. So and Olivia is gonna have to guess.
Oh.
What word is it?
Okay.
Pick a card.
Can I pick a card? Okay. Okay, so
So this is one letter?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Olivia.
A C.
Say I think.
I think it's a C.
Okay. Next one.
Oh, I think it's a O.
Very good. What do you
Cheers. No. I think it's a L. Yes.
Is it?
Is it a L?
What's
It
the
is
last?
this.
Yeah.
Oh, this
and
one
now-
is a bit harder.
W. P.
Wait.
C L C O L. Yeah.
Oh, that's better.
I think it's a D.
Yes, well done.
Yes.
The word is cold.
The word is cold.
The word is
Yes.
cold. Okay, it is.
Very
Great.
good. Okay, now human spelling with a twist. When you have a bigger group of students, each student can be a letter and spell out the whole word.
Oh.
Okay, and they stay in their position.
Okay. What?
Can I pick a card?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
God, you can do the first one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
1.
The word is.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, and you can see the word is hot.
Yay!